Hello and welcome to Quick Search Update version 1.9. In this screencast I'm gonna give you a quick overview about the latest and greatest additions to Trufflepiggy. Number one and the most obvious one is our new, brighter and more compact design while still being Trufflepiggy. But that's not all. You can now drag and drop the overlay around, see what's below, and if you want to have it centered back, just double click on the pink handlebar and boom, it's centered again. Another highly requested feature was to make the extra section optional. To do so, just head over to the quick search options, scroll down a little bit, and there you find a new section where you can independently turn on and off the extras for the overlay and context menu. And if you do so, Trufflepiggy becomes even more compact. But enough talk about the new design. Let's talk about our next big new feature. Multiline search. Multiline search allows you to find multiple search terms on the same search item. To do so, just add a new line by clicking Shift-Enter or Alt-Enter depending on your browser and operating system. Just try out what works for you. And if you have done so, you can select any search item or search group as usual. And voila, you will have opened one search for search, and we have opened one search for multiline. That's multiline search. And by the way, if you add an empty line, you're going to open the start page of the search item. And if you want to revert it, just delete the line break. That's it. Last but not least, we have added a new option where you can manually set the conversion timer for the selectable links with click and hold feature. That's Trufflepiggy Quick Search 1.9. I hope you like the latest additions. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, quick searching and see you next time. Clemens over and out.